Hi YouTube, I'm going to make this quick YouTube video real quick. There may not be videos for the next few days. So I'm trying my best to keep up with the YouTube thing. Of course. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. And I'm calling Sam. Well, technically going to call Sam, but this video is really quick because we are under a high wind warning. Yeah, me and Sam live in the same area and we're both like under high wind warning. High wind warning until Friday. And it may thunder. We don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and find out real quick. It will thunder. Okay, so I'm going to go. Oh crap. Severe weather warning. That is a high wind. And I'm not going to show you because it has my town name on it. I don't want you guys to find out. But yeah. Sorry guys. But yeah. So I'm going to do like a few videos before and the kids are at school. I mean, I have to go pick the kids up in like a little while because the teacher just called and said we are under high wind warning. I did not know what that meant, but well, I know what it means, but oh sorry. But I had to have my Chromebook on the charger. And yeah, so we're getting a windstorm tonight. We don't know what we're gonna do. We don't know what. I'm just gonna have some extra batteries for my weather radio just in case if there's any updates. Technically I have it set up so I can get more warnings, of course, like just in case. Yeah, and I'm like not as scared anymore. When we used to see a high wind warning in effect, me and Sam would scream. You're not kidding. So where's the call? Okay, Sam's not answering. So I'm just watching the Weather Channel. If you guys can't tell already, we are under a high wind warning, and I'm not kidding. Oh, there's Sam. So you guys know I'm just doing a YouTube video right now. Hi, Sam. Okay. I'm doing a quick YouTube video right now. And guys, by the way, this is Sam. Sam, say hi to the YouTube people. Hi. Oops. Forget. Yeah, that was Sam. I was trying to get it so you guys could see. But we are definitely... I had no idea that we were under a high wind warning during 7th period. I had no idea. Since 7th period until I got on the bus, I started playing with my phone, and I didn't realize when I got home. I didn't realize when I got home, like, oh crap, we're under high wind warning. So, please like, comment, subscribe, and Sam, what do you want to say? If you live here in Washington State.
Don't play outside.
Yeah, don't play outside. Have extra batteries. Have a weather radio. Even though Sam doesn't, it's okay if you don't. But I recommend a weather radio.
On my phone.
Yeah. I recommend a weather radio. Like, I have one from Midland, and I have mine. I always have it prepared. It's on the power cord 'cause I don't want to waste the batteries. The batteries are basically emergency backup. So I can still get the radio thing. So I will update you guys later for the storm thing. And I'll let you guys know when power's, like, if the power goes out, power's back. I don't know, but it's going to be in a separate video. And it may not go up until after this weekend. Because, and we don't have school Friday. So I may, if there's power, I may do a lot of YouTube videos. Like, so I'm going to skip a lot. Sorry that you guys had to hear this, but we are under a high wind warning. So please like and comment and subscribe.
Did you told them that you're not more videos for a couple of weeks?
I'm over that, and I will do a lot of videos, and I have a lot of videos I need to do. So just to warn you guys, if you don't see any videos up, that means the power's out at my house. And Sam's house. And we need to conserve power, so I'm gonna try to make YouTube videos as quick, not as long, and then if the power does go out,
We can't upload videos because
Yeah.
of our Wi-Fi.
yeah, cause like when we like upload videos, we need internet and Wi-Fi and all that. So if you don't see a video from me in like a few days, then you know why. And please don't even say mean things if you don't see any YouTube videos from me, cause So again, please like, comment, subscribe, and sorry this video had to be long. I'll update you guys during it, but they won't be up until after. If we lose power, then it won't come back until like this won't be uploaded. This is gonna be uploaded now, so I don't forget. So please like, comment, subscribe.